What's up everyone? Today I'm going to be showing you how to set up sound commands via Stream Elements. I had a few friends of mine that have been asking how to set it up, and they've been having some issues with getting it to work with OBS or with Streamlabs OBS. So I decided to make a video just to kind of give my process and how I set it up originally, as well as like if I want to add additional sound commands. So what I'm going to do is take you through this and then show you how to set it up, okay? First, what we're going to do is we're going to take you to the Stream Elements website, and I'm going to sign in into my account. And in order for the sound commands to work via Stream Elements, you have to do it via the Stream Store. So you'll go over here to your Stream Store, you click on that, and I want to add, I've already got some sound commands added already, so I'm going to add a new one, okay? So I want to add a new sound command. We're going to go over here to create new item, and this box will pop up. We want to create a sound effect command. So we're going to click this sound effects box here till the circle fills in, and we're going to call this one, and I'm going to let you guys hear what my sound effects is going to be. All right, sound effect from Friday. So I'm going to call it, just call it damn. This is not what the command is going to be in the chat. It's just a general description or general title that you want to call it, just so you know which one it is. All right, you're going to click that, and we're going to come down here to the item cost. We don't want it to cost anything, so we're just going to make that 0. I'm going to come down here, and I generally like to create like a category for mine. You don't necessarily have to do this, but I have commands stored in a sound commands category just for organizational purposes. Next, what we'll do is we'll go over here to, and you can set it up to have a cooldown time. I think by default it's set to 10 seconds per user, so I just leave it at that, but you can change that as you would like. If you want to set like a global cooldown for a longer period of time, no matter who's using it, you can set that in place, or you can do that. But I just leave it at 10 seconds per user, so no one user can use it more than once per 10 seconds. All right, so I've got the category set, and then we're going to click next. This is where we upload the sounds. So we're going to click upload sound. I don't have that sound already in my library, so what we're going to do is upload it, and I'm just going to drag and drop it over here. So it's uploaded now. Click it, just make sure that's what it is, and we're going to hit submit. So now it is a part of the library. It is in here to be used as a sound command, but not entirely just yet. We're going to uncheck the redeemable via website, uncheck the redeemable via extension. I'm going to leave everything unchecked except for redeemable via chat. Okay, so here is where we're going to put the sound command. You see where it has exclamation point redeem, and it's got the braces with the command. So this is what we're going to input. So we're just going to call it damn. And you can also toggle the volume as well. Like if you want it to be louder, or it's too loud, you need to turn it down, you can do that as well. So I'm just going to leave it around 60, 65 or something like that for right now. I'm going to hit next, and we're going to hit save. So now that the sound command is in the store, we can now implement it into OBS. So we're going to go over here to OBS next, and we're going to set up a browser. And this is the information that is going to be used to translate that sound from the store and from the website into OBS. You don't necessarily have to have the store or the website open in order for it to work, but you do need to have the link. All right, so when you pop up this box, it has this URL box here. So we don't have a URL just yet. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to go back into Stream Elements, go over here to My Overlays on the website, on the Stream Elements website, and you're going to go over here to create a blank overlay. And you can just hit start, and we're going to add widget. And we want the translation to be from the store to OBS. So we're going to go over here to alerts and then store redemptions. Okay. Now there isn't going to be an image associated with this, nor is there going to be like text. So we want it to be in the background. So we're going to get rid of the image, and we're going to get rid of the text. So it's going to be completely blank and in the background. All right. So once we've removed the text and once we've removed the image, we can Go over here and hit save. And we want to call this overlay, I'm gonna call it SC2 because I already have a sound command set up for myself. So in order to like not get confused as to which one it is, because this is going to end up getting deleted anyway, I'm just going to hit SC2. It's saved. And we want to go over here to the top where it says copy overlay URL. Click that and it's going to copy that to the clipboard. This is where we come over here back to OBS, go to that particular source, the SC2 that we typed, and we're going to input that link. And we're going to hit OK. So what should happen when I come over here to my Twitch chat, when I type in exclamation point, redeem, damn, it should play in the background, right? So this is playing via OBS. So it does in fact work. Now, what you can also do, you can take this a little step further. If you want to simplify it, you don't want your entire chat to have to type in exclamation point, redeem. Then this is a cool little thing that one of my mods showed me, and I didn't even know was possible, but you can eliminate the need to type in the exclamation point, redeem. So what you'll do is you'll type in exclamation point, command, add, space, exclamation point, damn, space, $sign. You're gonna put in the left brace, which is basically shift and the bracket, redeem, space, damn, close that brace. So it's the shift and then the right brace. All right, hit the enter, and that should add that command to where all you have to do is type in exclamation point, damn, and it works. So once you do that, you can repeat that same process of adding sound commands to your library. You don't necessarily have to input the boxes in OBS anymore, because that's your source from there on out. Whatever you put into the Stream Elements store is going to be input through that OBS. So you can add as many sound commands as you like. Only thing is when you do add those, if you want to be able to just type the simple versions of them, you do have to do the exclamation point command, etc., for all of them in order to get them in to where you can just type them without necessarily having to put the redeem, exclamation point, redeem in front. So, all right. I hope you guys found this helpful. If you did, go ahead and hit that like and hit the subscribe button. And thank you guys for watching.